I'm trying to fix, this is shut-off valve for a Honda Valkyrie, and where the shaft comes through here, it likes to leak fuel. I've taken it apart before. I've replaced the O-rings from the manufacturer. There's a little nylon washer underneath there. You can see it underneath there. The problem is there's a spring that sits into that pocket with a ball that seats to shut it off. And the spring pressure against that will make it tip slightly. It'll make a gap in here. So when it tips, you can see it twisted a little bit there. It'll start leaking fuel. To fix the problem, I'm going to replace that little washer with one that I made on my 3D printer, a nylon washer, something that's not going to be eaten up by the gasoline. And this should address the problem. Replacing this washer on here, that little skinny nylon thing. That's how big that one is. That's how big the one I made is. Big difference. So, I put this one on. It supports out underneath where that spring pushes against it, enough to where it's not going to tip it sideways. So you can see now, when that ball pushes against there, it's not going to tip it offside. And hopefully this fixes the gasoline leak problem.